Today, I have built a little device to test anti-gravity mechanisms based on a crop picture from the Czech Republic in 2018. There's a wire coil here and a pole with three-phase wire coils around the outside. And there's our pole, and you see 3 coils, 1, 2, 3. And in the center there's a magnet which can spin. And there's our magnet, 70 millimeters. And below the magnet there's a little ball, and I've put a little ball below the magnet so it spins properly, and another ball just above it. So we're going to turn it on and see whether there's anything about this device which can make a UFO rise up. When we turn on the 3-phase power to those 3 red wire coils, the magnet begins to spin on the small ball below. And as we add a little more power, it rises up like that. It pushes against the top ball. There's not much change of weight on the scale yet, however. Let's go a little faster. You can see the magnet's constantly trying to push upward. But the weight of change on the scale is minimum. That's 25 hertz. 30 hertz. So it's trying to push upward. But that's not enough. If we lower that silicone bead from the top down to here, turn on the power, you can see the pushing up force of the magnet pushes the bead up quite strongly. The bead goes almost back to the top again. So there's definitely a big pushing up force, but it's not changing the weight on the scale. Next, we're going to lower the bead to just on top of the magnet and also pull a shaft connector down on top of the magnet so the bead can't rise up. When we do that, we can see the upward force very clearly. We turn it on. Now the pole itself will rise up quite a long way. Look at that. We try to push it down. And it keeps rising up. Put a little force on it. The pole rises way up. Let's see, about 500 grams of force upward. The pole and the magnet together are rising up. So when we turn on the 3-phase power, the magnet will begin to spin. Pushes the ball up like that. Go a little faster. The magnet will jump up and down like that, and the ball will jump up and down with it. Every time it jumps up and down, we get a slight negative 10 grams on the scale. It's 20 hertz. Negative weight on the scale. So we're definitely seeing an anti-gravity effect, but it's fairly weak and chaotic.